In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Sea of Thieves on the Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press the view or select button on your controller, and we're going to go to settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down on the left sidebar until you get to audio settings, and you want to ensure that your master volume's turned up. Then what you want to do is scroll down, and where it says audio output mode, you want to ensure this is on headphones if you're using a headset and mic, and if you're using your TV speakers, leave it on speakers. Now, for crew chat volume, you want to ensure this is turned up. This is how loud your crew is going to be when they're talking into their mics. And for your crew chat output, you want this on the same one as the one up here. Now, once you've done that, for proximity chat volume, you want this turned up. That's how loud people are going to be when you walk up to them. And for directional proximity chat, this is when you're actually looking at the player, they're going to sound louder. Now you can turn this off so it's non-directional too. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you do have the option of setting up push to talk, meaning that you'll have to hold down on a button to open up your mic. And there's also a few options down here that don't necessarily have too much to do with voice chat. Now, when it comes to your voice chat working, if you have a look in the top right corner in game, you'll see my mic's currently working. If you don't have that icon, what you want to do now is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to scroll down and you want to go to audio and music. Now, once you're here, you want to ensure that headset mic is turned on. And if you do have a mute toggle on your actual headset, ensure you haven't accidentally toggled that on. And you want to ensure the volume dial is turned up on your actual headset, as well as ensuring the headset volume's turned up here. Now, for the headset chat mixer, you want this somewhere in the middle. And mic monitoring allows you to test out your microphone to hear what it sounds like. Now, if it's still not working at this point, let's go to home. And then what you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and you want to go to general, and we're going to go to volume and audio output. Now you want to ensure that if you are using a headset, that it's on headset format up here. And if you're using a TV, stereo uncompressed will work for most things. Now for the headset audio, if you are using a headset with a mic, make sure it's on stereo uncompressed or Windows Sonic for headphones for most headsets. We're going to go back, and something a lot of people miss is going to devices and connections and going to controllers and headsets. Now you do want to ensure that if you're using a headset and a microphone that your controller is up to date, because if it's not, performance may be affected with your controller, headset, and chat pad. So make sure your controller's up to date, and then what you want to do is go back in game. And if you still don't see that talking icon in the top right, what I recommend you try is swapping out your headset and or controller, because it's likely a hardware issue.